Includes brackets, grommets, etc. to match original. Cable length 25.50 inches. Original equipment, OE, part interchange, General Motors, 1,259,333, General Motors, 25,515,839. Accelerator cables connect the foot pedal to either the carburetor or FE assembly. Old cables can bind, break, or just become sluggish. The best repair is to replace the old cable with a new one. ATP accelerator cables are designed to fit and function just like the original part to ensure durability and long life. Top reviews from the United States. Good fix for my classic car project. I used these to replace the snapped OEM cable in my '73 Gremlin. It has the correct mount at the factory gas pedal. I needed to install an adjustable throttle cable retainer to hold the cable at the proper distance from the carb connection, but I think this would be needed for almost any aftermarket cable replacement. Action is smooth, cable seems well built.